Hey guys, NOYCE here with another daily recap. This is a pretty weird day, I would say. I would say the market is fake hot. I don't know how to put it. Like from the scanners, you will hear a lot of tickers going, and basically it's everywhere as you can see. These are the leading gappers. There's a lot of them, and it's always not good when there's this many of them. Means like at some point, example SPRT seems like it's gonna be a gapper, then it's super choppy. Okay, yeah, I guess choppy is the better word. Like I'm trading all over the place. As you can see, these many tickers, I'm trading all over the place. Like for a while, NAKD seems like it's going to do 75 cents to the dollar land, and nope, back down. Then suddenly PRPO seems like it's going up, nope, come back down. ABVC. So GSMG is the leading gapper today, and it's really choppy. Actually, it just did a nice ABCD here, a nice ABCD through the VWAP, but I wasn't on this. So despite that, in the open it did staircase down and then it staircase up again. Other than that, yeah, it's really choppy. There's a lot of tickers, so I'll just go through one by one as quickly as I can. And lost like 1,002 today, unfortunately. Like it really sucks. Like for the August, my wins are like 100, 200, 300, and my losses like 1,000 plus. So yeah, it's really frustrating. So that's why I want to quickly get over this recap, and I even stayed until 10:30, actually until 9 something, when I was just down 800. I really feel like there's nothing much to play and I wanted to walk off, but just the FOMO factor, like yesterday a lot of the tickers went up at 10:30, 11. So yeah, okay, so VRPX initially in the open, the second minute it gave up, and on this second candle I'm thinking it could be a pullback, so I added here, and as it went up I sold out here, which didn't cover the full move, but I'm okay with it. In a way I still took half of it, so I'm okay with it, and it's still pretty near the view up, so it could still flush like the other tickers, all these tickers. Yeah, see, scoring this much, all these are on the watch list. It's never good when it's like that. So secondly, for VRPX, I added here one. I really like this pattern. This I would say, I don't know. There's a lot of names for it. Some call it Fallen Angel or whatever. Or there's too many names like this, but I don't really care about them. Some call it a cup and handle or whatever. But yeah, this candle I was thinking like, oh yeah, this is really nice. I want to buy in here, cause this pattern is starting to feel. So I click I long it, but no fuel, and I only got filled here, ridiculously. Thinking it should pop up here since GSMG had a similar one here, and then it went up. Except VRPX is a fake out as usual. That's just how VRPX is. So when it fails the VR, it immediately stop out, and this is what happened. So one winning trade, two losing trade. GSMG did not trade this as this was the leading gapper, but the leading gapper opening it the day with all these knives are never good, so I didn't watch it. ABVC was in my watch list, but in the open it was pretty late, so I did not really care about it. But I just had some move, and after the move it basically dies down. So basically there's no follow through at all today. Like usually on hotter months, going up like that, maybe I want to minute pullback, it will be going again. However, in this case, I mean, yeah, this August, I don't know, is it because I'm more experienced or something, but this August feels like there's more movers than last August, but it's still a dead month. So yeah, as you can see, this is really weird. Now there's like a downtrend, like ridiculous, after going up for nothing and volume coming, but there's no follow through. The LPN, same thing as usual, is moving like that, nothing much to trade. PRPO, same thing. Yeah, so it's really choppy, really hard trade. NAKD, a lot of people thinking it's going back to the dollar mark today, but nope. Look at all these topping tails, disgusting. And TKAT, yeah, so a lot of the reasons a lot of the other tickers are not receiving attention is because TKAT had this move. So a lot of people were thinking, okay, it's the NFT day. Hence, I had a few NFT tickers here. So TKAT halted up, undescending candle went up, halted up again, and all these chopping tails. Then bam. So other than that, YVR was following TKAT pretty closely. Usually when TKAT goes, YVR will go, so you can see that both of these charts are really similar. Another one that usually runs with TKAT is HOFV. So when TKAT is going up, HOFV also went up. Then lastly, ZKIN on this NFT place. I remember reading some news that ZKIN had some NFT related news, so I was long on it. Got in here, sold off half here and sold off half here. Pretty similar to the TKAT chart, I would say, if you take a look at it. So yeah, and when TKAT had this, like, just lost interest, so I'm also out. Then AEHR, some news here, I mean some noise. So basically you see it went up, shows up on scanner, like really choppy. Oh, this is disgusting. BLUW was up like 160% today. But yeah, I chased this, so this is what this is my first trade of the day, and basically it puts me $500 just like that. So thinking either here go up, and I'm thinking this could be the A B C D, something like that. So added here for it to break the pre-market high, but seems like it double top here, and I still hold it here thinking it could be bouncing off the view up. So holding, and when it suddenly decides to go down, then got stop out here. Then it came back up here again. I'm thinking maybe it got oversold because this is 32, this is 24, that's like $8, $32, and yeah, this is basically a $8 8 point. I mean, it's also uh, okay, so the spread is pretty bad in the pre-market especially. So I didn't want to just sell and then if it seems nice again I have to buy in again. This will just make my position higher, so I held through all this area, which is why I took an 8 point loss. Unfortunate, very painful. Probably what gave me what the reason why I ended up losing $1,000 plus today. This, I just realized this is an 8 point move. I was thinking it's just a 5 point move, but yeah, this is an 8 point move. Really stupid. I mean, that's how the float is. Look at the daily candle, is ridiculous. Yeah, this daily candle is like, oh man. First, I know this period of time is the spec move, so if I'm not wrong, BLUW is a spec. So yeah, however, I added here for it to break the view up for a small pop, sold out here and decide to not touch it anymore. And I was right about it. So yeah, I just realized this cost me 8 point and basically $800 loss. RGC the second one, same thing. So as it's popping up, then it came back down, and as I think it could be curling here, so I added here. However, it decided to flush, and I decided since okay, this area, this is like just a 1 point move, I can hold it in the open, like because I'm already down so much from BLUW, I'm hoping for a Hail Mary lottery play. So hopefully this could surge up in the open, maybe around 42, then I'll sell off. But yeah, in the open it's pretty nice. You open a nice green with high volume. Second candle figure came down, so really choppy, and suddenly it just flashes down. So I got stop out here. So this is another, yeah, this is a fine point. So I was thinking BLUW was fine point and RGC was fine point, but no. So I lost 800 from BLUW, and then yeah, I lost 800 here, then had a 200 win here, lost 500 here. So really unfortunate. So all my other wins basically got negated. Hence I'm down so much today. SPRT did not trade it. It's super choppy as usual. Never a fan of SPRT, but I just add here so at least I can show you guys that maybe you can learn something from this. As you can see, SPRT after second candle it went up, instantly knife down. So trying again, knife down, try, and most people will get stop out here. Then it went up, and people might be adding, and they get knife again. With all this tail, it's really choppy. This is a really disgusting ticker. I would advise to stay away from it. Look at the 5-minute candle. Really, absolutely scary. Okay, so NRXP, I think I traded it, yeah, pre-market around 757. I added here, thinking this could be a pullback. Like, so yeah, I added here for a pullback for it to break the pre-market high, which it did. So it now update this. The pre-market high should be here. So yeah, just hold through it, and when it decides to pop the pre-market high, so I got out here, pretty nice. Then the whole day decided to fade. That's just how it is. So I realized the market is, I don't know, it seems hot, it sounds hot, but actually it's shit. Look at all this. Other than GSMG being the leading gapper and it's only up 41%, all these tickers like 10%, 70%, 5%, and basically all these are gap and go, pop and fade, pump and dump, whatever you want to call it. So basically they get pump up and then just fades for the whole day. Same thing for NRXP Australia, you see, just a pump up and fade for the whole day. KXIN, same thing, pump up. However, this had news. Actually, KXIN had some nice news. EV news are always nice, probably a top 3 to top 5 in this period of time. So, however, same thing, pump up, die, pump up, die, and basically just fades throughout the whole day. So, in my opinion, KXIN would be able to move if not for the reason that TKAT has some noise. So people, all the attention are on the NFT, like TKT, YVR, HOFV, ZKIN. BATS also had some news, same reason that I mentioned, because they think it could be a NFT news. And ADTX, so basically it's odd timing. It was around like 9:19. Then they announced that there's an offering at $2.40. So instantly got it dropped a point at this value. So yeah, basically it's down 30% just like that. So that's how this sums up the market today. Like, look at all these numbers, and all these are in my watch list. So it's never good if all these things are on your watch list. And it's the thing that the market is very unpredictable. Some, I mean, how good you are, there's still some luck involved in it. Like example, yesterday I just want to take one green trade and go. Then the market decides to go crazy with RGC and everything. And TKT, if I'm not wrong, yeah. So, and today I decide to stay. Then this happens. All these are the leading gappers. Unfortunate. So well, you learn from it. And yeah, as you can see, uh, where was I? Okay, so other than that, my swings, AMS pretty nice, slowly recovering. Other than that, the rest are pretty much the same, but slightly better, keeping the head above the water for all these swings. However, just a brutal day. Like, that's just how it is. Like yesterday, okay, yeah, I remember what I want to say. Like sometimes, I was too impatient on my trades. Like, let's say I got in here, and then usually I will sell off around here. However, then it will went up. But this period of time, it just continued to go down. So, it's really hard to say. And I believe actually there's one VRPX. Yeah, example is, so this is the situation. Like sometimes I sell off here thinking this will pop and fade, but it continued to went up. And sometimes I decide not to sell here, then it instantly chops down. So there's still some luck involved in it, but experience will definitely help. So overall I'm down about $1,000 today. And tomorrow's Friday, so the more I got a trade safety, the one I have another $1,000 loss into the weekend, which will make it really, I mean, it'll make me unhappy for sure. So gotta stay as emotionless as possible. Do not let all this bother me. So just gonna get over with my training recap. Maybe go watch some shows on Netflix or play some video games to take my mind off it. And yeah, as always, stay safe, trade safe, peace.